and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to this brand new video, which today is going to be just a quick tutorial on how I'm currently styling my hair, how I get this kind of bouncy, long, loose waves in a really short period of time. Like, obviously I'm a busy mom, I don't have like hours on end to do my hair. I found the best curling tongue that I'm absolutely loving at the moment, just to get this kind of really nice big bouncy waves, and it just takes literally 10 minutes. It's super quick, and in this video I'm going to show you how I do it, how I style my hair so quickly, how I get this kind of look, and the products that I use to create this. Now, you can get this bouncy, messy hair look in really simple, in like 10 minutes. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So before we get into the tutorial, I've been having a lot of questions lately about my hair. So obviously a few months ago my hair was super short and black, and now it is kind of like a caramelly colour and super long. So I have had some amazing people looking after my hair over the last few weeks, and that is how we have managed to get it from a very dark and damaged bob to this kind of much warmer, lighter brown, and obviously much longer. So my hair extensions, I've been getting loads and loads of questions on. So the girl that does my hair is on Instagram. I will put all their handles down below. So it's Core Lengths, and I have Hair Rehab Micro Bonds. There is just under 200 grams and a mixture of two colours in my hair that we've used to match it. So there's a slightly lighter colour at the front and just dotted throughout, and yeah, so I have 22 inches. I've never had micro bonds before. I've always had a weave, which I absolutely love, but I just wanted to try something different, so I've had micro bonds this time. So they are very tiny little metal micro bonds that just sit on your hair. I will put a picture in here so you can see them, and yeah, they are fab. I don't have any kind of weight in my head. It's all very kind of like, you can't really tell they're there. They feel really comfortable, and yeah, I've been getting on really well with them, so I'm really liking those. And yeah, my hair extensions are Hair Rehab, which I'm really liking. And my colour, I have been looked after by the amazing Claire Flack from Wigs and War Paint in Sheffield. Now, Claire's done an amazing job of my hair. I'm so excited I found her. I've been looking for somebody amazing to do my colour for a long time, and she and all the guys at Wigs and War Paint in Sheffield are just amazing. She has been doing my hair for, I think she's done it 3 times now. So we've gone from very dark, we stripped the colour out, we went a little bit lighter, then the last time we've gone a little bit lighter again. We've got some blonde bits around my face. We've managed to lighten those darker bits around my face a little bit more and put some throughout, and I'm so happy with the results. I'm really liking this colour. So yeah, that is, so Claire has been looking after my hair from Wigs and War Paint. So yeah, Claire and Wigs and War Paint use all Redken products, which I am a big fan of. I've been working with Redken for a little while now, and their products are fantastic. And I've also been trialing out these Davines products, which are so nice. So I will link all of those down below also. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have any questions about hair extensions, about Wigs and War Paint in Sheffield, about where I go for my hair extensions, about hair rehab, anything, just pop them below. I will answer all your questions in the comments section. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial already. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave me a little comment below. I'll get straight into the tutorial. So I washed my hair yesterday, and I always find that is the best day. The day after is always the best day to get the best styling. So if I'm going out or if I've got something going on, I'll always wash my hair the day before. So I did very slightly just like curl the ends yesterday, but to be honest, I didn't do very much to it at all. So it's kind of just in a kind of nothing messy state. Now, obviously, I've done a lot to my hair the last few months. A couple of months ago, I was jet black. Elton, stop barking! Elton, come here. He's barking at his reflection in the picture frames. Here he is. What are you barking at, Noisy? Hey? So yeah, I was jet black. So my hair has had quite a bit of bleach, and it was already a little bit damaged from last year when somebody else did my hair and absolutely messed it up and it all broke off. So yeah, it's still recovering, it's still damaged. Claire at Wigs and Wallpaint has been really careful when she's been lightening my hair, really looking after it, and done a fantastic job of actually getting it a lot lighter without damaging it anymore. It's slightly dry, and then obviously with my extensions I have to really look after them so that they don't go too dried out. So the first thing I do is use my Tresemme heat protection spray. So this is just my little travel size bottle that I've just grabbed. Are you going to do this the whole way through? And just cover my hair in that so that once I'm using heat on it, it's not going to cause any more damage. I've also been using Olaplex on my damaged fronts. So a couple of times a week I will just coat the whole kind of top section of my hair, the part that got damaged, with Olaplex and sleep in it overnight. Quite often I'll put it in like when I get home at like tea time and just leave it in all evening, all overnight, and then wash it out the next day. These all-in-one milk, which is like a protection spray. It has oil in, and it basically says it's a multi-benefit beauty treatment. It detangles, so I've been using it on Effie's hair, which has been really good because she's got very curly hair which gets knotted very easily. I found it great for that on her hair. It also adds shine, silkiness. It's just really good. I'm really impressed with this. I've been using their shampoo and conditioner also, and that has been really nice. So I'm just going to spray my extensions with it, and it smells really nice as well. And I'm just going to section off my short natural hair and leave my most of my extensions down, just because my actual natural hair sits about here, so it's quite short, so I need to style that completely different to the curls that I'm going to do on my, oh, got some extensions in there, the curls that I'm going to do on my extensions, otherwise they stick out. So I have to be really careful about styling them so they're not just sticking out from the side of my head and actually like it is disguised into my extensions. Woo! But the wand I am going to be using today, and I've been using for the last couple of weeks, is the Mark Hill wand. This wand you can interchange with different barrels so that you can get like smaller curls, bigger waves. This is just the plain kind of wide barrel, and this is one that I've been finding is really good since I've had my extensions in. I do have one that's more like a curved one, but this has actually been my favourite at the moment. It gets really hot, so you do have to be careful. It does come with a glove, but I'm not very good when I have the glove on, so I'm just super careful to make sure that I don't get touch the black barrel. So I'm just going to section about an inch's width of hair, and using my barrel, start right at the top and wind it really tightly and right round, and just hold that there for about 30 seconds. Well, I used to just curl kind of the ends, but I've been making sure since I've had my extensions in and my hair's longer that I curl right from the top because I find it holds better. And it does kind of drop out at the top, so it just means that it's kind of just a lot curlier to begin with. So once I've held that for 30 seconds, I very carefully unravel it, and as I unravel it around my hands, and then I just hold it here till it slightly cools down, and then I just give it a little scrunch, and I just find that really just gives it a really nice bouncy curl. And then I just repeat again, so right up as close as you can get to your head, and I just hold that in for about 30 seconds. And then as I unwind it, wind it around my fingers. You might need the glove on for it, because it is hot. I'm just kind of not a wimp with things like this. So I just kind of hold it in, or you can also get a hair grip and grip it in like this so it really holds. I just hold it for a minute and then just let it drop and give it a big scrunch up, and you will see that it just gives such a nice bouncy curl. So I'm going to repeat this all the way around my head. Okay, so that is pretty ringlety, but you can see it's super bouncy and really nice waves. So I'm just going to leave it for now while I do the top section, just so that those waves and those curls can really kind of set into the hair so I don't lose that bounciness. So the top section I have to do slightly different because obviously my hair is quite short, so there's one little extension in there. I'm just going to curl that quickly because I've missed that in the bottom parts. Just going to curl that so that can sit down there. There we go. Yeah, so my top section of hair is quite short. You can see here, that's how short my actual natural hair is. So I need to kind of disguise that into my curls, which can be quite difficult, but I found with this tongue that I found a way that I do manage to get them just to sit on top rather than sticking out. So rather than curling them like I do the bottom section, I use the curling tongue and I use it to get some volume into this top section. So we're just kind of using it backwards and forwards on that section, and then I'm just going to very slightly curl the ends under. This just means it kind of gets lost in the extension. So I'm just going to leave that for now, and then I might have to just kind of tweak it in a minute. So there's another bit there. So I'm going to do the same again, just so I can kind of work it in to the kind of wave. And then the front section, I have kind of like these bits that are like bangs, kind of. And then I'm going to do the same on this section. Curl those in. And then the front section, oh, I've still got a grip in there. I'm going to take that bit down. And then the front section again. I'm going to curl forward. Like this. And then just kind of brush to the sides. And then I'm just going to take my spray again from Davines and just spray that top section just so it does keep that shine and kind of boost it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to brush it out so that it is not so ringlety. And then they will just drop slightly as well. And there we go. That is my kind of really quick 10 minutes how I just quickly curl and wave my hair at the moment using the Mark Hill tongue. So it's really bouncy, really big waves. It will drop out a little bit because my hair, because of the length of it, it does drop out slightly anyway, but it just means that I keep this nice wave, and then for the next few days it will just slowly kind of go from this kind of bouncy waves to just like nice loose waves, and it just means I don't really have to do anything to my hair for the next couple of days. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed seeing how I create this really quick quick, easy kind of waved look for my hair. It literally takes probably less than 10 minutes a day, and I am really enjoying the kind of messy, big, bouncy wave look. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, leave me a comment below. Any questions you've got, leave them in the comment section. I reply to all my comments, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much, guys. I love you all. Bye.